Can you guys see?
Yes.
So we're putting in about 10 ounces of water here.
Wait, you gotta explain what's going on.
We are testing a theory, which is mixing phosphorus, which is contained in the G3, 3H and 18, AERATE, which is a very strong surfactant, and calcium, which is our advanced cals in here.
This shouldn't work, but
it should not work.
The AERATE, we're trying to see if the
it.
AERATE will work.
Or you think the AERATE will cut it?
Can you grab me that syringe?
Question from earlier, is any of our products flammable?
No.
Okay.
Sadly.
You know,
Be a lot cooler if they were. So, first thing that we're gonna put in is ground zero. And so we have 10 ounces of water in here. So what we're gonna do is a 4-to-1, just like we were mixing a normal tank. Okay, I'm not that smart. Okay, Sarah, we need 2 ounces to milliliters. I think it should be like 6 or 8.
Yeah,
59.14 milliliters. So 60.
30.
He's like young Frankenstein over there.
Hey, drink it. Let us know how it tastes. Yeah, you try.
Watch it coagulate in this syringe, and I can't even put it in there to try it. Okay, I've already got coagulate. We haven't even added in phosphorus. Alright, so next we're going to add in the AERATE. So we've got a 4-to-1 ratio here. So we're going to add 10 milliliters of this is all we're going to add in to start out with. Then we're going to just keep adding it until we get the coagulation to go away. 10 milliliters ain't going to do it. But
It looks like
it's
B12.
pink.
yeah.
Here we go.
So those two are going to coagulate? Or when you add in?
When I add in the G3, the 3H and 18. Sean is...
I don't think this is gonna work.
He's like young Frankenstein over there.
You have a nice little mixing stick?
This is exactly what my mix looked like the other day, and I sprayed it. I'm not saying to tell people to do this,
I'll say, even if it works, I wouldn't suggest this. Look at
and that's how, that was the viscosity, what I was spraying too. It was like, yeah.
Looks like cat
Oh,
piss.
no, that paper towel.
You just say it looks like cat.
Yeah, what cat are you watching?
I was just thinking that. I own a lot of cats.
I've seen many cats.
Uh-huh.
Oh, cute.
Your legs off right after.
Oh, I thought he said me too. Well, that's concerning.
So will
I mean, it's got precipitate in it, but it's in suspension.
It doesn't. It's not quite like it does if you just did it without it. That's for sure.
Yeah, here.
It'd almost be solid with
Is there any water? Okay, we're just gonna do a 1-to-1 in this little bit of water and see what happens. There's G3. There's a little surfactant in this syringe, but that way we can compare what it looks like side by side. Oh shoot! I did this in college too. Whenever I was
Were
in
you
the
this
lab, I was
messy?
so messy.
Oh, yeah.
See the difference? It's like solid on the bottom,
really?
and then
Oh,
the
yeah.
water
It's
separated
totally
on top.
separated.
See that?
Can you add...
We're gonna add it in.
Okay.
I'm with you.
No, I was gonna say add more area
Look
to
at that. We'll add it in there and we'll add some in here. See how it's a solid on the bottom now? Shake it out like. Boom! Wait, I have to wait for it to settle back out.
Yeah, but let some air back in there just in case. He's over there like, boom.
This hasn't changed.
What is that one thinking?
Why you smell it?
Hey, Nate, your dad wants his water back.
We didn't put anything in it.
We were doing a meeting, and somebody was questioning a question. So he takes Procal, pours it in a cup, and drinks it. I'm like, well, he didn't die, but we may have to cut hay off of him.
Hard in it.
Watch it.
Oh, I forgot I put the cap back, or I thought I put the cap back on.
Have nice-
Sean had flashbacks. He's like, ah!
That thing has gotten so many views.
I haven't even looked at it.
So
I refuse to look at it. What's it on TikTok? What's it on?
And Facebook and Instagram.
Oh my god.
Not much to take away from this, but next week we're gonna look at these and see what they look like after they've had time to stick. Yes, I'll put a little more AERATE in it.
thank you.
No problem.
So does AERATE become the non-binder agent?
Right,
That's
so
what I heard.
micellar breaks bonds, right? Which is why it,
It's used for makeup.
or better yet, why it's used to aerate the soil.
Do an aerated home.
Sarah's new Jenny Craig idea right there.
Get on
See
Shark-
Sarah
get
on
on- get on
TikTok,
Shark
and she has
Tank.
like 32 ounces of AERATE with like dry cloths, and she's pouring the AERATE on the cloths. She's like, now you just rub it on your face. It's like burning her face and stuff.
But your makeup
Works
is
for
gone.
hair removal, exfoliation. Both of these right now are in suspension. This one with vigorous shaking, and this one with a slight bit of stirring. We're gonna set these over here, come in and check on them throughout the week, and we're gonna look and see what happens next week. Because right now,
So
that one
insurance on the
took,
building.
this one had no shaking other than just mixing the product in, which would simulate much more to an actual sprayer. If you can pick up an 800-gallon sprayer and shake it like I did that water bottle, then you might be able to get your stuff sprayed.